How to fix the Twitter profile update is failed. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Twitter profile update failed. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and you have to simply search for the Twitter. Now once you're in here you have to simply click on it and make sure that your Twitter is updated, and after that you just have to go back and you have to go in your phone settings. So now once you're in your phone settings, here you have to scroll down and find the option of the general, and in the Android you have to go in your app management settings, and from here you have to go in the iPhone storage and you just have to scroll down and until you find the option of the Twitter. So once you find it you just have to click on it, and here is the option of the offload app. Now what will happen, if you offload the app, this will free up your storage that is used by the app but keep all of its documents and the data. So what you have to do is simply click on it, and here you have to reinstall your Twitter, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Twitter, and after that you just have to go back and you have to refresh your Twitter, and you are able to fix the Twitter profile update is failed. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.